Your senses will be blown by the price. Face screaming in fear. Full genuine Suzuki Cultus VXR. Only 5.70 lakh, urgent sale. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are searching for a reliable, economical, and family-friendly hatchback, then today's car is definitely worth your attention. Presenting to you a Suzuki Cultus VXR 2005, registered in 2006, available in excellent and well-maintained condition. Suzuki Cultus is known in Pakistan for its strong engine, comfortable drive, and low maintenance costs. This car is perfect for daily use, office commuting, ride use, or small family needs. Let's start with the condition of the car. This Suzuki Cultus VXR is full genuine, which is a big plus point for buyers who value originality. There are only minor touch-ups on two panels, which is completely normal for a car of this age. Overall, the body condition is neat, clean, and presentable, giving the car a fresh and solid look. Now let's talk about the engine and performance. The engine is 100% okay, running smoothly without any issues. The pickup is strong, the sound is healthy, and the car drives confidently on city roads as well as highways. This is a just buy and drive vehicle, with no major mechanical work required. Fuel efficiency is one of the biggest advantages of this car. The vehicle is equipped with CNG, and the AC works perfectly on both CNG and petrol. This makes it extremely economical, especially with rising fuel prices. Whether you're using it daily or occasionally, this car will help you save a lot on fuel costs. Comfort is another strong point. The air conditioner is fully functional, providing good cooling even in hot weather. This makes the car suitable for long drives, traffic conditions, and summer usage. The overall drive is smooth and comfortable. Moving on to tires and battery. The car comes with brand new tires installed, offering better road grip, stability, and a smooth driving experience. Additionally, a new battery has also been installed, so you don't have to worry about starting issues or replacements anytime soon. Let's discuss the documents and legal status. All documents are clear, giving buyers complete peace of mind. This makes the transfer process smooth and hassle-free. Serious buyers can easily proceed without any concerns regarding paperwork. Now let's talk about location and availability. The car is available in Karachi, and interested buyers can contact through inbox for further details, inspection, and viewing. Coming to the most important part, price. The final demand is 5.70 lakh only. Considering the full genuine condition, strong engine, CNG with AC on petrol and gas, new tires, new battery, and clear documents, this is a very reasonable and competitive price in today's market. Finding a Suzuki Cultus in this condition and budget is not easy. If you're looking for a budget car with good resale value, low running cost, and proven reliability, this Suzuki Cultus VXR is a great option. So don't miss this opportunity. Serious buyers only. Please contact via inbox for more information and viewing. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car deals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.